Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Kia Sedona, and on this Kia Sedona we're going to go over how you would be able to get your shifter into neutral in case you need to tow it or whatnot, and say your key isn't, you can't find your key because you lost it. So right here we have the shift lock release is what it tells you. So if you take a small screwdriver, you can pop it in there, and then you're going to pop this little cover off. And with that cover removed, then you can take the same screwdriver and press down, and you're going to feel the resistance, and you're going to press down on that. And when you press down, then you'll be able to pull it into neutral for the towing purposes, to get it on something, and then back up into park. And see, it won't move from park, and I've got my foot on the brake because it's just the same concept. No. When that's pressed in, you don't necessarily need your foot on the brake, but you still might want to have it on there until you get it towed on. So that's how you can get it out of park into neutral to be able to get it towed onto or push it off the road for whatever reason if everything locks up. All right, and then you just do the same. You put it back up into park, and that's how you release the shifter if you're having a malfunction with your key and so forth. So that's a manual release. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.